When it's time to upgrade to double-hung windows in your Pell City home, choosing the right installer is just as important as choosing the right windows. While double-hung windows are known for their classic style, easy operation, and strong ventilation, their performance depends heavily on how well they're installed. That's where local expertise makes all the difference. Pell City homeowners face unique climate conditions, architectural styles, and construction characteristics that only local professionals truly understand. Here's why working with local window experts ensures your double-hung windows perform beautifully and last for years to come. Understanding Pell City's weather and seasonal challenges. Pell City experiences hot summers, chilly winters, and plenty of humidity, conditions that can impact how well your windows seal, insulate, and operate. Local installers understand the climate and know which installation methods protect your home best. Local expertise ensures weather stripping that stands up to humidity, proper sealing to prevent drafts during cold spells, installation techniques that minimize heat transfer in summer, moisture-resistant materials that reduce the risk of rot or warping. When double-hung windows are installed with Pell City's weather in mind, they perform better and stay efficient year-round. Knowledge of local home designs and construction styles. Homes in Pell City range from traditional Southern-style houses to modern builds and renovated older properties. Local installers are familiar with these architectural differences and know how to fit double-hung windows seamlessly into each design. They understand how to work with older homes where frames may have shifted, install windows in brick, siding, or mixed exterior materials, preserve architectural character while improving efficiency, ensure proper structural support for smooth window operation. This tailored approach avoids issues like gaps, uneven fitting, or misalignment, which can happen when installers lack local experience. Precision installation for better energy efficiency. Double-hung windows are known for their energy-saving benefits, but only when they're installed correctly. Even the best energy-efficient window can underperform if it has small gaps, loose seals, or poor alignment. Local professionals provide tight, energy-efficient installation, balanced sash alignment for smooth opening and closing, proper insulation around the frame, accurate sizing based on local home construction. This results in a more comfortable home and lower energy bills, something every Pell City homeowner can appreciate. Proper ventilation setup for maximum comfort. Double-hung windows are popular because both sashes can open, allowing warm air to escape while cool air circulates. To maximize this benefit, installers must position and seal the window correctly. Local experts understand how to optimize airflow based on your home's layout, which rooms benefit most from double-hung ventilation, how to ensure smooth sash operation in humid conditions, how to prevent air leaks while still allowing easy use. This ensures that your double-hung windows provide the fresh airflow they're designed for. Familiarity with local building codes and requirements. Window installation must follow local building codes to ensure safety and efficiency. Local professionals stay updated on Pell City's regulations and understand the requirements that apply to residential properties. This helps avoid failed inspections, improper installation that voids warranties, delays in home improvement projects, safety hazards related to incorrect installation. Local expertise ensures a smooth, compliant, and stress-free installation process. Long-term support and peace of mind. Choosing a local installer means ongoing support long after the project is complete. If you have questions, need adjustments, or want additional upgrades later, a local company is only a short drive away. Local support provides fast service when needed, reliable follow-up and maintenance, personalized attention from professionals who know your home. Long-term partnership for future window or door projects. This level of service simply isn't possible with out-of-town contractors or big-box retailers. Final thoughts. Installing double-hung windows is an investment in your Pell City home's comfort, appearance, and value. Working with local experts ensures your windows are installed correctly, efficiently, and in a way that suits the unique climate and construction styles of the area. With the right professionals, your double-hung windows will operate smoothly, look beautiful, and keep your home comfortable for years to come.